Hey guys, for this tutorial, I'm just giving you a quick tour of the Weichert Realtor Centennial YouTube page so that you guys are all comfortable with it and know all the stuff that you have available to you. So starting out here, I'm just in YouTube. As you can see over here on the left in my subscriptions, I already subscribed to our channel, so I can click here really easy with a quick link. But if you've never done it, you can just come up here at the search bar and search Weichert Realtors Centennial, and you'll see it pop up here as the channel. You can click subscribe right here, and you can click the little bell to be notified anytime Weichert Realtor Centennial posts a new video, just like that. And now I'm in our channel. So we've got them formatted a few different ways. When you come into the channel, it's just what the most recent videos that have been posted are up here. But there's a couple of different ways to look at it. And what I would recommend is probably the playlist. And here you can see all of our quick tips, which includes my quick tips, as well as our transaction management quick tips and our business development quick tips are all in here. All the green team videos are right here that you can use. And then we've got a few other past series that we've done and some home virtual tours that are also in here. But really, these are the two that I want you to be real comfortable with. You can click in here and see all of the quick tips. It'll actually go through the playlist, but over here on the side, you'll get to see, here's all the different the quick tips if there's one that you're wanting to look at, and you'll see they're all pretty short, like I'll try to keep this video. So those are your quick tips, your green team trainings right here. But I want to show you something else really cool that we're doing. Every time we do a training or a meeting, we're now posting that in the calendar for you guys to have access to it. So like this week, if you go back to our sales meeting that we did on Tuesday, you can click on it in the calendar. And now you'll see a recording link posted in here. So you can actually open this up and you'll see our sales meeting from the week recorded. So there's a really easy way if you ever miss anything or trying to remember what we talked about on something, or someone mentioned a new listing and you wanted to know about it, you could always jump back in here into our sales meeting and grab the info from these videos. There's also career development and green team videos. If you go back to those days also, you'll see those in here in the same spot under recording. You can click on it. You can watch through any of those videos. Again, it's just us trying to make it easy for you guys to get access to all this content, even if you can't make it in person for these trainings. And the one other thing is we actually do have our database of fast track videos on YouTube. They're unlisted, so you can't search them. But if there's anything you ever want to watch fast track on, like, hey, I really want to build a farm, can I watch that video about building a farm, or the open houses video? You can always talk to your branch coordinator and they can send you the link over so that you can watch those videos to learn a little more about it if you can't remember it from originally when we watched it on fast track. Hope this helps. Please use these videos. We put a lot of time and effort into making this easy on you guys. So we want you guys using it, subscribing, and being notified. See you guys in the next quick tip.